Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let us look at this question, and it reads that if y equals x squared minus 6x plus 11 is written in the form y equals a in parentheses x minus y raised to 2 plus k. Now find the value of a plus h plus k. Okay, so what does this imply? Now for us to achieve this from the equation here, it means you have to apply the completing the square method to x squared and negative 6x. So how do we go about it? Now let's take this particular part of the equation, x squared minus 6x. So here we have x squared minus 6x. Now we'll take the coefficient of x, which is negative 6 here. Now we divide it by 2, raise it by 2. Okay? Now by dividing this by 2, we have negative 3. Okay? And when we raise this by 2, we have 9. Okay? What we need to do next now is to add this term to this expression and subtract this term from 11. Okay? And this is to help us balance the equality between this and this. So here we have x squared minus 6x, okay, then plus this term, negative 3 raised to 2, now plus 11, then minus 9, okay. So this now becomes a perfect square which can be rewritten in this form: x, just take one of the variables, then this constant term minus 3, then raise it to 2, okay. Then 11 minus 9, that should give us 2. So here you have plus 2. So we've now transformed the whole of this into this. Okay, so y. Now comparing it with this, we have that y equals a into x minus h raised to 2 plus what? K. So here now we can agree that here a will be equals to 1. Okay, so a will be equals to 1. Then our h here will be equals to 3, and k will be equals to what? 2. So which means a plus h plus k will then be 1 plus 3 plus 2. Now giving us 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 2, that will be 6. Final answer. Please like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.